The main goal of our project is to develop a responsive and user-friendly front-end web application using the Angular framework. This application is part of full-stack e-commerce system that supports small food business owners like those featured in the product Amin case study. Our goal is to help these entrepreneurs manage their product digitally through a centralized platform. The system connects to RESTful APIs that we built earlier using Spring Boot and allow users to perform important operations like viewing product listing, adding new products, editing product details, deleting products, and managing the categories. By building this system, we aim to simplify the product management process and reduce manual workload for local food businesses. We also make sure the application works well in desktop and use Angular material to improve the overall user experience. Additionally, our application is containerized using Docker, making it easy to deploy and scale for future use.
Next, my name is Siti Alabalkis binti Rahman and my metric number is 291345. Next, I will be showing you guys about the login page. Here is our login page. There are two user, which is admin and also user. As for now, I will show you the admin page. So as a username we put admin and then the password and then enter.
Hello, my name is Salsabila Shafain Risa. My metric is 290267. Now I'm going to present about the add product functionality of our Angular e-commerce application. These features allows administrator to add new food products to our system through a user-friendly form interface built with Angular and Bootstrap. Now, let me walk you through the form fields. We have five main inputs. First, product name with minimal 2 characters validation, description which is required, price with a currency symbol and minimum value validation, category dropdown that's populated from our backend API, and an available toggle switch to indicate if the product is in stock. The form uses Bootstrap for responsible design and clean styling. Now, let me demonstrate the form validation. Angular reactive forms provide real-time validation feedback. Watch what happens when I interact with the fields without providing valid inputs. Now, it will show a message that product name is required. But if I type just A, the message will change. The product name must be at least 2 characters. It works the same with description. Description is also required. The price is also required. Also, if you put the price is under 0, for example -5, it still returns error because it is supposed to be greater than 0 and positive value. Also the character, also the category, you need to pick one of these, but if you're not, it will return error also. Here you can see how I configured the form validation using Angular reactive forms. Each field has specific validation rules. Product name requires at least 2 characters, description is mandatory, price must be positive, and category selection is required. This ensures data integrity before sending it to backend. Now I'll demonstrate a complete submission process with valid data. Example, the product name is beef mie goreng and the description is stir-fried noodle with beef. The price is 12 ringgit and the category is noodles, and of course the product is available. If I click the add product, it will show a message that product added successfully. Now the added product will show in the list of product. And here is our new product successfully added to the system and visible in the product listing. This line is the key transformation when I convert the form data for our Spring Boot backend. Notice how I convert the category selection to a numeric category ID. This was essential because our backend expects a number and not a string. This ensures a proper API integration between our Angular frontend and Java backend. Okay, so this demonstrates a complete CRUD operation with proper validation, API integration, and user feedback. The add product feature successfully communicates with our Spring Boot backend to persist new products in the database, providing a seamless experience for administrators to manage food inventory. Thank you.
So here we have the product listings. As you can see here, which all of the categories of the product is listed over here. We can see all 21 or 22 of them, and then we try to look at other categories, which is sauce and condiments. It also shows them. Goes the same for noodles, and for health and wellness drink. Also for the oils and herbal products, and finally for the herbs and beverages. So yeah, the list of product, it lists all of the products and the categories of the products.
Now, I would like to explain about the edit feature in our system. The purpose of the edit feature is to allow user or admin to update existing product information such as the name, price, description, image, or category. This is important to keep the data accurate and up to date. When the user clicks the edit button, they are redirected to a form page. This is a form pre-filled with the existing data of the selected product. So this will make it easier for the user to see the current value and only change what they need. On the front end, we use Angular reactive form. This means we can easily bring the form control to the product data, perform validation, and handle user input efficiently. Once the user updates the information and click the save button, the form sends a put request to the backend API using our product service. This update product data is then sent to the backend. On the backend, our Spring Boot controller receives the request. The service then looks for the product by its ID. If the product is found, we update the field with the new data and save it to the database using JPA. We also handle error handling and validation to ensure that no invalid data gets saved. For example, the system rejects empty names or negative prices. Overall, this feature improves data management and gives users the ability to modify and maintain their own content quickly and easily.
Here is all the list of the product by categories. There are 5 categories of the product. The first one is sauce and condiment. The second one is noodle. The third one is health and wellness drink. The fourth one is oil and herb products. And the last one is herb and beverage. From this page shows that all the product can be shows in their own categories. For example, sauce and condiment, it will list all the product for the sauce and condiments. Same goes to the noodles, health and wellness drink, all and herbs product, and also herbs and beverage. If you choose noodles, it will show all the list product of noodles.
Hello, my name is Ryan Joyigan, metric number 292884, and I will show you the final update user interface with some extra feature. Let's begin with the homepage, the landing area for user. Here you will find a hero section that highlight feature, product, and category. Next, let's explore product management. This feature allows user to perform CRUD operation, create, update, and delete product. You can search for specific item, apply filter, and sort product by various criteria. Moving on to the category management, this section lists all product category. This section lists all product category and enable easy navigation. When user click any of the category button, it will redirect user to the product page and category, and with the category being filtered. Now let's look at the shopping cart. User can add or remove item, manage quantity, and proceed to checkout. And here's the extra feature. When click the checkout button, It will then display the receipt for user to print. And the second extra feature is the wishlist feature. This feature is for saving favorite item. User can transfer the their product to the cart and settle the payment for later. Finally, we have the theme system. User can toggle between dark and light mode and set their preference. This feature enhance accessibility and personalization, and of course, this work for the entire page. And I think that's it for the demonstration, and thank you for the attention.
In conclusion, this Angular front-end project shows how technology can support local food entrepreneurs by giving them better control over their product listings and digital presence. Instead of relying on manual or informal promotion methods, this system offers a structured and professional platform for managing products and categories in real time. The front end is fully integrated with Spring Boot APIs and provides essential functionality. It also styled with Angular material for a clean look and packaged using Docker for simple deployment. Overall, our project supports the digitalization of small food businesses and lays the foundation for future improvements, such as advanced search, filtering, and also inventory tracking. With this system, we hope to contribute to the sustainable growth of food entrepreneurs like Product Amin and help them succeed in today's digital market.